Today, I'm taking you to a special place in the heart of Istanbul, Beyazit Palace Hotel, an elegant hotel located in the historic Fatih district, just a few steps away from the famous Grand Bazaar and the Blue Mosque. Let's explore this dream location together. Hello.
Hello.
Ma secondo me è nuova.
Non sei sempre andata a preparazione, vero? Va bene, ideale per
The rooms at Beyazit Palace Hotel are designed for comfort and relaxation. They are equipped with air conditioning, a minibar, a safe, and a flat-screen TV. The interior design combines contemporary elements with traditional accents, creating a welcoming atmosphere. An interesting detail is the view. Some rooms offer a spectacular panorama of the city. The bathroom is well equipped, featuring a spacious shower, soft towels, and complimentary toiletries. One of the highlights of this hotel is the breakfast served on the rooftop. Imagine starting your day with a diverse buffet full of delicious dishes while enjoying a breathtaking view of the city. From crispy simit to Turkish cheeses, olives, fresh fruits, and authentic Turkish coffee, every morning becomes a memorable culinary experience.
This looks for sage.
So, if you're looking for a comfortable hotel with a delicious breakfast and a strategic location in the heart of Istanbul, Beyazit Palace Hotel is an excellent choice. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more travel vlogs, and leave a comment with your thoughts.